Last week, a guy came into my shop to get his oil changed on his 2023 Lexus RX. Beautiful car, loaded with every option. He'd owned it for 2 years. While I was waiting for the oil to drain, I showed him a hidden feature that let him automatically fold his mirrors when locking the car. His jaw dropped. I've had this car for 2 years and never knew that existed. Then I showed him 5 more features he didn't know about. By the end, he was furious that the dealership never mentioned any of this when he bought the car. Here's the reality. Toyota and Lexus pack their vehicles with incredible features that most owners never discover. Hidden settings buried in menus, secret button combinations, smart technologies that make your life easier but require you to actually know they exist. The dealerships, they don't tell you about most of this stuff. Either they don't know themselves or they rush through the delivery process and forget to explain anything beyond the basics. I've been working on Toyotas and Lexus vehicles for 19 years, and I've learned every hidden trick these cars have. In this video, I'm revealing 12 hidden Toyota and Lexus features that you probably don't know about, but will use every single day once you discover them. If you own any Toyota or Lexus from the last 5 years, pay attention. Let's get into it. Feature number 1. Auto-folding side mirrors. This is the feature everyone wishes they'd known about sooner. Most Toyotas and Lexus models from 2018 onward can automatically fold the side mirrors when you lock the car. Here's how to activate it. For most Lexus models, go to Vehicle Customization, then Door Lock Settings. Look for Auto Mirror Fold and enable it. For Toyotas with the newer multimedia system, go to Settings, then Vehicle, then Mirror Settings. Toggle on Fold Mirrors when locked. For older models without the touchscreen option, hold down both mirror adjustment buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds while in park. The mirrors will fold in, then unfold. This trains the system. Now they fold automatically when you lock the car. This feature is especially useful in tight parking garages, narrow streets, or anywhere you're worried about someone sideswiping your mirrors. Feature number 2. Remote window control. Did you know you can open or close all your windows using just your key fob? Most owners have no idea this exists, but it's incredibly useful on hot days. Here's how it works. To open all windows, press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for about 3 seconds. All 4 windows will roll down simultaneously. To close all windows, press and hold the lock button for about 3 seconds. All windows will roll up and close completely. This feature works on most Toyotas and Lexus models from 2015 onward. Some older models require you to turn the key in the driver's door lock instead. Why is this useful? On a scorching summer day, you can vent the hot air out before you even get in. Just hit the unlock button as you're walking to your car, and by the time you reach the door, the interior has already cooled down significantly. Warning: be careful where you use this feature. If you accidentally press and hold the unlock button in your pocket, you could come back to a car with all the windows down. Feature number 3. Hidden key slot for dead key fob. Your key fob battery will die eventually, usually at the worst possible time, but Toyota and Lexus planned ahead. Here's what to do when your key fob dies. First, pull out the mechanical key hidden inside the fob. There's usually a small button or slider on the side that releases it. Use that mechanical key to unlock the driver's door. Now here's the part most people don't know. Even with a dead fob battery, you can still start the car. Touch the dead key fob directly against the start button while pressing the brake pedal. The car will detect the fob through close-range RFID and start the engine. On some older Lexus models, there's an actual hidden key slot behind a cover near the steering column. Pop off the cover, insert the mechanical key, and turn it like a traditional ignition. A new key fob battery costs $5 and takes 30 seconds to replace. But until you get one, this backup method keeps you driving. Feature number 4. Adjustable auto lock speed. Most Toyotas and Lexus models automatically lock the doors when you start driving, but you can adjust the speed at which this happens. By default, most vehicles lock the doors at 15 miles per hour, but you can change this setting. For vehicles with touchscreen systems, go to Settings, then Vehicle, then Door Lock Settings. You'll see options like Lock at Vehicle Speed, where you can adjust the threshold or disable it completely. For older models, here's a manual method. With the car in park and the engine running, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on your door simultaneously for about 5 seconds. This cycles through different lock speed settings. The horn will beep to confirm each change. If you frequently drive in stop-and-go city traffic, you might want the doors to lock immediately when you shift into drive. For highway driving, you might prefer them to lock at higher speeds. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Feature number 5. One-touch turn signal. Modern Toyotas and Lexus vehicles have adjustable one-touch turn signals that most people don't realize exist. Instead of pushing the turn signal stalk all the way up or down, just tap it lightly. The turn signal will blink 3 times automatically, then turn off. But here's the hidden part. You can customize how many times it blinks. Some models let you choose between 3, 5, or 7 blinks. On Lexus models, go to Vehicle Settings, then Turn Signal Settings. Select your preferred number of blinks. On Toyotas with the newer system, go to Settings, then Vehicle, then Lighting, then Turn Signal Blinks. This feature is perfect for highway lane changes, where you don't need the signal on for long. No more forgetting and driving for miles with your blinker on. Feature number 6. Emergency Brake Light Flash. This is a safety feature that most owners don't know exists, but it could prevent a rear-end collision. When you brake hard and suddenly your brake lights don't just turn on, they flash rapidly to alert drivers behind you that you're stopping in an emergency. This feature is standard on most Toyotas and Lexus models from 2018 onward. It activates automatically when the car detects aggressive braking through the ABS system. The brake lights will flash quickly for about 2 seconds, then stay solid. Once you release the brake or slow below a certain speed, the hazard lights automatically turn on to warn traffic behind you. You probably won't even notice it happening because you're focused on stopping, but drivers behind you will definitely notice. Feature number 7. Hidden Garage Door Opener Programming. If your Toyota or Lexus has HomeLink, you can program it to open your garage door, gate, or even turn on lights. Here's how to program HomeLink. Park your car in the garage with the engine running. Locate the HomeLink buttons, usually above the rearview mirror or on the sun visor. Press and hold the button you want to program for about 20 seconds until the indicator light starts flashing slowly. While holding that button, take your garage door opener remote and hold it about 3 inches away from the HomeLink buttons. Press the garage remote button. The HomeLink light should change from slow flashing to rapid flashing, then solid. Now test it. For some garage openers, it works immediately. For others, you need one more step. If it doesn't work, go to your garage door motor. Find the Learn or Program button, press it. Then immediately press the HomeLink button in your car. The garage should open, confirming the pairing. You can program up to 3 different devices. Feature number 8. Customizable Gauge Cluster Display. Most Toyotas and Lexus models with digital gauge clusters let you completely customize what information appears on the screen. Press the display button on your steering wheel. This cycles through different screens showing trip info, fuel economy, navigation directions, audio info, and more. But here's the hidden part. You can customize which screens appear in that rotation and what information each screen shows. For Lexus models, go to the Vehicle Settings menu using the steering wheel controls. Navigate to Meter Settings, then Display Customization. You can choose which screens to include, reorder them, and select what data appears on each screen. You can display current and average fuel economy, driving range, average speed, G-force meter, tire pressure monitoring, navigation turn-by-turn, audio information, and driving time and distance. I recommend removing screens you never use. This makes cycling through the display faster and less distracting while driving. Feature number 9. Seat memory linked to key fob. If you share your Toyota or Lexus with another driver, most models have a feature that automatically adjusts everything based on which key fob is detected. Here's how to set it up. First, adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel exactly how you like them. On the driver's door, you'll see memory buttons labeled Set 1 and 2. Press and hold the Set button, then immediately press 1 while still holding Set. You'll hear a beep confirming the position is saved. Now here's the key part. With your key fob in hand, press and hold the Set button on the door, then press 1 again. This links memory position 1 to your specific key fob. Repeat the process with the second driver's key fob and memory position 2. When you unlock the car with your fob, the seat, mirrors, and steering wheel automatically adjust to your saved position before you even open the door. This feature works on most Lexus models and higher-trim Toyotas like the Avalon, Land Cruiser, and some Highlanders. Feature number 10. Enhanced Security Mode. Most Toyota and Lexus owners don't know their vehicles have an enhanced security mode that makes them much harder to steal. On Lexus models, there's often a valet mode or security mode in the vehicle settings. This disables certain features like trunk access, glove box opening, and remote start when enabled. On Toyotas, you can enable a similar feature by using the mechanical key to lock the driver's door instead of using the key fob. This activates the alarm system in a more sensitive mode. There's also a hidden anti-theft feature. If someone tries to tow your locked vehicle, the horn will sound continuously until the alarm is disarmed. For models with the Toyota app or Lexus Enform, you can enable alerts that notify your phone if the car is moved, the alarm is triggered, or the doors are opened when you're not present. Feature number 11.
Smart climate control programming.
Your Toyota or Lexus climate control system has hidden features that let you customize how it operates. The auto climate mode can be customized for your preference. On most Lexus models, go to Climate Settings in the main menu. You'll find an option called Climate Concierge or Auto Level. This adjusts how aggressively the system heats or cools. You can set it to low, medium, or high. There's also a hidden feature for defrosting. If you press and hold the defrost button for about 3 seconds, it activates maximum defrost mode. This cranks the heat to maximum, directs all airflow to the windshield, and disables recirculation. It clears foggy windows faster than anything else. For heated and ventilated seats, most models let you set them to turn on automatically when you remote start the car. Go to Climate Settings, then Seat Climate, then Auto Seat Climate. Choose your preferred settings based on outside temperature. Feature number 12. Hidden maintenance reminders. Your Toyota or Lexus tracks more than just oil change intervals. It monitors dozens of maintenance items and can remind you when service is due. On the multi-information display, navigate to the Vehicle Settings or Maintenance menu using your steering wheel controls. You'll see reminders for oil change interval, tire rotation, air filter replacement, brake inspection, transmission service, and coolant replacement. But here's the hidden part. You can customize these intervals based on your driving habits. If you drive in severe conditions, you can shorten the intervals. If you do mostly highway driving, you can extend them slightly. On Lexus models, there's also a feature that tracks service history. It logs every maintenance item and when it was completed. This is incredibly useful when selling the vehicle. You can also reset individual maintenance reminders after completing service. Just navigate to that reminder, select it, and hold the reset button for about 3 seconds. Stop missing out on your car's full potential. These 12 features are just the beginning. Your Toyota or Lexus has dozens of other hidden capabilities that most owners never discover. Take 30 minutes to explore your vehicle settings menu. Read through the customization options, press buttons, and see what happens. You'll be amazed at what your car can do. And here's my challenge to you. After watching this video, go to your car and activate at least 3 of these features. The auto-folding mirrors alone will make you feel like you're driving a luxury vehicle. Your Toyota or Lexus is already packed with these features. You paid for them when you bought the car. Don't let them go to waste. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as I am sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.